Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V21 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer, and now let's find the contact you would like to edit and tap on it. Now let's tap on edit contact and pick the camera icon, which is right in the middle. And as you can see here, we've got two different options, so we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. And as you can see right now, we have to decide where we want to complete this action, so we can use the albums or Google Photos. I will pick albums, of course, and give all the permissions. And as you can see here, we've got the albums, so all you have to do is to simply find the photo you would like to use and tap on it. And here you have to again decide where you want to crop the photo. So let me pick, for example, Google Photos this time. And as you can see from this step, we can adjust the size and the position of this square and the position of the photo actually. And thanks to this, we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. What's more, we can zoom in or zoom out the photo. It's really up to you how you want to set it. And you can rotate the picture using the switcher. And if you're happy with the results, just tap on done. As you can see, it immediately appears right here, so remember to tap on save in the right upper corner, it's very important. And as you can see, the photo immediately appears on the contact. What's more, it is visible on the contact list, and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your VIVO V21. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.